first thing you will need to do is go to the search bar and type the name of this website, which is called jamendo.com. If you listen to just one song, you will earn $6. If you listen to 2 songs, you will make $12. If you listen to 20 songs, you will make $120. In order to access the website's homepage, click the box that says Start on the left side of the screen. You will then be on the website's homepage where you can find thousands of copyright-free music tracks in a variety of genres that you can enjoy listening to in a moment. So this is the website that we will be using for this. Here is its icon. Simply click on the first link to get there. I'll demonstrate to you how to listen to music recordings like these now and earn money from them. The list of people who have used this technique to earn money every day is endless. To start, let's create your free account here. To do that, click where it says Login and then just click down here to sign up. Now you can either sign up using an email and password, or you can just use your Facebook or your Google account. And there are hundreds of thousands of people who are making money with this website every single day. So get your computer or your smartphone ready, and let me show you some secret tricks that I use so you can make the most money. But first, let's create your free account here. And if you scroll down here, you'll see some of the website's suggested trending music tracks. However, don't worry about these songs. Instead, scroll to the top of the page, where the words More are located. This will display all of the website's songs. By the way, you can also download this website's app. It's available on both Google Play and the App Store, or you can just use the website. Here is the first piece of advice I have for you. Pay close attention. Click where it says All Genres so that you can choose one of these different categories. I personally use and recommend the pop genre because that is where you will probably make the most money. After that, just keep this selection set to all countries. If you do a quick search on Google, you can see for yourself that the pop genre is ranked number 1 globally. Now, each of these songs can earn you about $6 for each song over and over again if you keep the other option unchanged. It will now display hundreds of thousands of music tracks in the pop genre. Therefore, all we need to do is listen to a few of these songs and then download them. You can still earn money by listening to and downloading these songs, so don't worry, I'll make it very simple for you to do so. I'll show you how to do this in a moment, but first, you'll need to download some enjoyable music. If you scroll down, you'll see that we have thousands of songs available. However, it goes without saying that we won't download and listen to them all. You don't have to listen to the entire song, you can just listen to a few seconds if you like it. Then, if you want to download the song from here, click the download icon, select Free Download, and the song will begin downloading. We are only going to download the best songs here, so let's try the first one right away. To start listening to it, simply click the play button. It's crucial to pick a song you genuinely enjoy rather than just picking one at random. In my case, I like this song, so I downloaded it to my computer here to show you how to make money with it, so you can also do that yourself. Now, before we move on to the next step, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And let's say for example, that this wasn't a great song and you didn't like it, well then simply try another one and keep doing that until you. The second step is to simply visit the website we'll be using to make money with this, which is called 3upload.com, since the more music you download, the more money you'll make. Now I want you to pay attention with me here so you can do this correctly. As you can see, I have already made over $800 myself with this method, and will soon hit $1,000, so just follow what I do now. Let me go to the home page to show you how this works. Basically what this website does is that it will pay us money to share our music files with others. This website is also totally free. You don't have to spend a single penny now. Once you upload your song to the site, they will give you a link that has your song. Then all you will have to do is get people to download and listen to the so as it says here, upload and share, and then you make money. You can upload images, videos, songs, and so on, and you get paid for it. In this case, it's going to be music. I already have here the song ready that I downloaded from. I'll demonstrate how to accomplish it in detail for you as well. Now, if you just click where it says make money, you will find more information about how you will get paid. So as you can see here, if you get downloads from Tier 1 countries, which are the United States, Canada, and Brazil, you will earn $7. You don't need to have a large social media following or anything like that. You can make $6 for every download from Tier 2 nations, and $5 for each download from Tier 3 countries. And if you scroll down here, you'll see that they accept a variety of payment methods, including Bitcoin, PayPal, Perfect Money, Payoneer, and many others. The good news is that the minimum withdrawal amount is only $1, so you can start withdrawing money on your first day. You can also increase your earnings here by recruiting friends to the website. However, you will first need to create an account here, so allow me to log out of my account to demonstrate how to do it. It's quite easy to do. Simply click sign up, enter your information, including a username, email address, and password, and then choose your preferred payment method. I would suggest using PayPal, so if you don't already have one, go create a free PayPal account. It's quite simple. After checking the box that says I'm not a robot, hit submit, and then double-check your email. And return here to log in, then click on upload files so that I can show you how to upload songs here and earn money from them. For myself, I already have this song here that I downloaded from the previous website. Make sure you get yours ready as well. Now, there are different options here when it comes to uploading, but this is the one that we will use. Make sure you select this one. Then click this blue box where it says Browse Files. And then choose the song you want to upload from your device. In my case, it's this one right here. After doing that, click Start Upload, and as you can see, the uploading process begins. The speed at which it completes will depend on your internet connection. Now that it has, here is the link. All you have to do is copy it and share it with others so they can download the song. Once they do, you will be paid. The last step on our video is where to get traffic and people to download songs from our link. Well, it's not complicated. One of the easiest ways is to just go to Facebook and start searching for Facebook groups related to music, and you can start actually talking to people there and let them know about your link. So here you go. But don't expect to make so much money with just one song. As I told you before, you will have to do this method with a lot of songs.